I made up teams, and if anybody's feelings are really hurt, whatever, we can adapt this.
Suck it up, Luke.
Okay, now here's the teams. Okay, Todd Harstetter and Scott Weaver, number one. Where's Todd?
Yeah.
Where's Todd and Scott Weaver?
Scott Weaver, number one. We right here?
Sure, that's a good spot. Okay, Tim Boger. Tim?
He's out. He didn't even put his coat on yet.
Okay, well, we'll forget him. Cliff, are you here?
Cliff, I just saw him.
Okay, Cliff and Stu.
Yes, Stu.
Okay.
Right there.
Cliff and Stu can find a place. Okay. Eddie and Matt Mosdell.
How much should we get?
You get one. I don't know how many they get.
How many horses do we need?
Right here.
Look, it lives on.
Start blowing it. No, don't put it in there. You put it in, ask him pour the water.
You wait. Don't start yet.
I've got an extra.
Hey,
How many people have that? Some people have two. I was hoping I was going to.
The fire chief. Later. Get the fire going. And, okay, what I was going to say though, here, a safety issue. As you're chopping some little shavings, move your 2x4 over so your partner can grab the shavings without getting his fingers chopped off, okay?
man, you're taking the fun out of this.
And,
Hey, they are sharp. Okay, when I hit the timer, you're gonna go.
what? Hey, wait. Everybody has to wear gloves.
What?
You might,
They won't be on.
I want to see my.
You'll do more damage wearing gloves than you will.
all right.
Okay. On your mark, get set.
Hey, Junior!
Go. Yeah, I see that going wrong. Okay, we got a team getting ready to get a flame. Okay, we got flame over here.
Like that. Use that for
Well, maybe the hope.
upside down so it burns up.
Hey, we got flame over here. We got good flame. Hey, not on the cardboard. Not on the cardboard. We got a cheater.
Try to cheat.
We got good flame. I'm telling you what, they're rolling. It's airing it out. I'm telling you, I'd be getting that can on there. Yeah. Now build right up around it. Yeah, we got a pot on.
I need more little stuff.
We're at 2 minutes and 12 seconds. We got a pot on. Get her going. We got it rolling. We got 2 pots on, 3 pots on.
Shack it inside like Jenga.
Yeah. They got a fire going, buddy. I'm saying bubble. plumber's crack going on. Well, we're going to get fire going around the side.
Brother Dave catch you there.
We got
No, on the ground.
That's for chopping. Okay.
Is that steady enough?
I'd like to thank my sponsor, Steel Dealers.
3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Get away!
Boy, we got
Hey, when the wife says honey is cold inside, you have to build a fire fast.
When you think you have a boil, yell out.
No, they don't come right out of the top.
Oh, so it's got to come over the top. Come up the edge. Oh, that's what the stuff was for. All right, that makes a lot of sense. So a bubble goes.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm not gonna hit you, I promise. Keep going, keep going. All right, ready? Go.
I don't think we're winning this.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh man, he's got a flaming, buddy. Woo, look at that thing. We better move that card.
Long and steady.
4 minutes and 25 seconds. Nice. Oh, it's starting to bubble in there.
Keep going, keep going.
There she goes.
Back up.
Your butt's on fire again. He's willing to sacrifice it for a trophy.
Here we go.
There she goes.
Watch this.
Here she goes. Thank you. 4 minutes and 50 seconds.
First time in darn plane.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
4 minutes and 50 seconds.
Thank you.
Hey, they're using time to beat is 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Now I want to encourage you that the first place winner actually, and I saw it, does get a chainsaw.
Yeah,
we
both-
weren't lying. You
both
are
winner-
a
both
chainsaw
winners.
winner.
Two people.
Are you ready?
Stakes have been raised.
Go!
Oh, that's good form right there.
Josh, watch your freaking face.
It's a little haphazard.
It's a lot of.
Hey, you're gonna run out of gas before you're doing anything.
So Craig, the question is, did you do this and how fast did you do it?
I did it 2 times. Jay Simcox. Times where I go for 8 minutes.
That's disappointing, Craig.
It's terrible.
You could have made up a better story.
Okay, we got a flame over here going. You guys better hustle faster. Quit looking.
Anybody got a lighter they can give up?
Oh, they got a good flame. They're on the way.
Spit on it.
1 minute and 6 seconds, and they got a flame going.
I wouldn't call it a flame.
Yeah, more plumber crap.
Good work, Ryan.
Is it working or y'all need a new lighter?
Oh, we got a flame. One in the air.
No, I did. I just I'm not qualified for this. I'm out. Yeah, of course.
Oh, we got fire.
Got high hopes for this team.
Thank you.
Well, not because of you, if I'm honest.
Good job, good job.
You guys are getting it. Whoa, we got a spot on the fire. 2 minutes and we got a pot on the fire.
Aerosol can.
We got 2 pots on the fire.
We need to spit on the fire. Spit on it.
We're kindling down in there.
221 and we got 2 pots on the fire.
Keep it on, keep it on.
I think, hey, you're
Keep going. You gotta go. You're out of breath. And somebody's bad wood.
There you go.
Good job.
nice.
If it's easier, here's the weighted one.
When you go to split, use that one.
Get her stacked up.
Just
3 minutes! 3 minutes and 25 seconds! You better hustle if you want to beat Luke and them. Oh, it's going good.
See how he's got it up around too. That's him up around. That's how they did it on the video.
Keep blowing on it. Don't give up, man.
See blood.
The more you can get that.
Pass out. Beat Luke.
Yeah. Come on, get
Nate,
it.
I'm not driving you home if you beat me. Get the black can. Get the can's going. Yeah.
Oh, there it is. He's going. He's gonna go.
Boys.
Oh my word. Come on, guys, you can beat Luke.
Is there a penalty for blood?
Penalty for blood.
Here.
What?
Oh, he's got some blood.
Blood.
Stuart, you got
Look out
blood.
there.
It's from a splinter. Hey, we said no additives.
Blood on the hatchet.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's disqualification. Blood on hatchet.
You got a boiling inside.
No, you don't. We're just looking at it.
4:30.
Oh, man.
It's gotta be close.
No way. That's not how.
4:36. But it's gotta be close. Get her going. Oh, get her going. 4:44.
No way. Nate, take a breath, buddy. Take a breath. Take a breath. Oh, you're gonna start getting hot. Oh, you're starting to sweat.
4:53.
Take a close second. There you go.
5:01. I don't think you're supposed to use the cardboard. They were doing it earlier.
Well, they're doing it over there already right now.
Hey, anybody? Check some of these other ones, and if it boils over, yell out. Right, check my time.
You haven't one done yet.
No, not yet.
Here it goes.
It is so close.
Does it have to go all the way up?
Yeah, the soap will bubble out over the top any second. Of course, it's easy for us to say that. We're not out of breath.
come on, Nate. Keep blowing.
Blow, boy. Okay, get ready to yell out. Whichever one goes first. Here it comes.
All right. Don't pass out.
Oh! 6:16.
Dang it, bro.
Disqualified. The cup is tilted. Therefore.
Hey, watch your lighter. Oh! 6:40.
Good job.
Woodlands Guild of No Place Any Close Here. They are the ones that sponsored this event. Either that or Craig Brady did. So anyhow, these are your 3 top placers. I want you to come up as I call out your name. Tim Boger, Scott Weaver, number 2. Nathan E. Come on up here and stand on either side. And I can't read the writing of his partner. Who was Nathan E.'s partner?
Oh, Josh Selby.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, that's my handwriting.
okay. Oh, that's your handwriting. Luke Vandemont. And Josh Monta. Yeah, no, what am I? I'm from Sugar Valley. What do I know? Okay, so we do have some really good prizes for the winner.
Time out. Josh is in the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
We got a
Yeah, while we're waiting on Josh, we want to recognize the runners-up. Okay, it doesn't mean nothing, but nonetheless, you're the runners-up. Now, you guys came in last place, but you're older. I see you think you are. You don't get to win. Yeah, you come in third. Give them a trophy.
Second loser.
You're the second loser. Okay,
You brought us up here to embarrass us?
well, I wanted to point out one thing. These guys are really close knit. They both attend the same barber. And their time was 6 minutes and 7 seconds. Oh yeah, we did.
There's Josh.
Man, that must have been a struggle sporting that hairdo. Come on up here. Okay. So first losers, with the time of 5 minutes and 13 seconds and a little bit of blood.
It was a splinter.
Okay. You likewise win nothing. But thank you for your participation. So, we want our winners to come over here. Now, with all that went into this, and all the work and the dedication of Jay Simcox and Craig and me running the timer, we do have some really good gifts. The Woodman's Guild of Macklehattan is presenting each of you with a brand new chainsaw on your behalf. For you being the younger one, you're going to get the smaller chainsaw. Okay. Here is your chainsaw. And for you being the leader of the group, impressive work. You get the real deal. Show everybody how that chainsaw goes. Yeah, it's the Lumberjack 16. Yeah, I know. So, welcome for your participation. Yeah.